Get into a car with value. 2023 Acura Integra. Show the world your style in this sophisticated Integra. Its bold looks and premium craftsmanship signal a fresh new feeling of excitement, underpinned by zesty performance, high safety scores, and impressive fuel efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane departure warning, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, keyless start, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, fog lamps, aluminum wheels. This boldly stylish Integra delivers spirited performance with a premium feel. Powerful, beautifully crafted, versatile, and economical, it adds fun and excitement to every drive.